Hi, I'm Kayla.
And I'm Nicole.
And today we're going to show you how to graph and write the equation for a piecewise function.
Yay!
For the first piecewise function, we're going to do the equation part. See, we already have our graph here. So, when we look at our graph, this is a square root function. So for this one, since it's on the 2 and it's a square root, it's going to be 4. So, it's x plus 4 square root. For the domain, it's an open circle, so it doesn't include 2. And it's going right. So it would be x is greater than 2. For the next equation, it's a quadratic function. So for this one, it would be x squared minus 4, because it's a vertical shift down 4. And then for the domain, it would be x is less than or equal to 2, and x is greater than negative 2. And for the last square root function, it would be negative 2x square root. And for the domain, it would be x is less than or equal to negative 2.
Now we're going to show you how to interpret another piecewise function on this graph. So this is an absolute value function, and the absolute value of negative 1 would be 1, so it starts on the 1 on the y, and then the domain is less than 0 because it's an open circle and it goes to the left. This is a square root function, and it has a vertical shift of 3, so it starts on the y-axis at 3, and then the domain is greater than or equal to 0 because it goes to the right and it has a closed circle. And lastly, we have a linear function, and the vertical shift is 5, so it starts there on the y-axis, and the domain is also greater than or equal to 0, so again, it's a closed dot and it goes to the right.